Hello everyone, welcome to another guest internet video. Today I'm going to deal with a question that many people ask every day, and that is, what is the range of the Wi-Fi signal? In order to illustrate that, what I've done is set up a little model here, okay? And so let's pretend I have the satellite antenna that communicates with the internet service, and I have a point-to-multipoint wireless access point. The point-to-multipoint wireless access point looks something like that. You've probably seen these on other videos with them. Okay? Now, if I want to communicate with that central antenna with my mobile phone, then that antenna radiates 360 degrees around. And so the range to my mobile phone is determined by the mobile phone. And so the mobile phone is going to be able to communicate with that antenna up to about 100 meters maximum, maybe less. If it's an older phone, maybe only 50 meters. So I can move that phone around and get a connection anywhere around there. However, my phone has to have a line of sight, which means that from my phone, the central antenna has to be visible. And so the central antenna has to be on a mast. So it's above the heights of trees and buildings. Okay, so that's the range of the central antenna to the mobile phone. Now, the Wi-Fi is low power, and so it doesn't have the same range as the mobile phone. The Wi-Fi circuits in a mobile phone are also low power, and so they don't have the same range as a mobile phone would do to a mobile phone tower. So those are the limitations. Now, we can communicate further by having what we call a CPE antenna. That's an antenna on the roof of a building, and that can communicate maybe 1 kilometer if the antenna is like this one. So this is a CPE antenna. This is what we would put on the roof of a home. Okay, and providing we have a line of sight between those two antennas, then we can have this maybe 1 kilometer away. If we have a different type of antenna, called a parabolic antenna, then we can go further away. Now, people ask, well, if I want to extend the distance maybe another 100 meters, I can do that. I can run a cable, an Ethernet cable, from that central location. I can run that cable up to 100 meters and put another point-to-multipoint antenna there. And then that will go a further 100 meters, so I can get 200 meters away, but only in this direction. Okay, so that's the limitation. I can set up another point-to-multipoint antenna further away by having 2 point-to-point antenna links. So I can have a point-to-point antenna link from this central location, and this can be 1 kilometer or more than 1 kilometer, and then I put another point-to-multipoint antenna at the end point of the point-to-point link. And so I can then communicate to mobile phones 100 meters around that antenna. So those are the limitations, okay? We have a lot of documentation that explains the limitations. Just contact us. Send us an email and we'll be very happy to send you the documentation. Every day we're helping people configure their networks and helping them to set up a service for a community. Okay, there are rules you have to follow, and these are the rules for the distance of communication, and we explain all this in the documentation. All right, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.